Creating metadata using ChatGPT in Google Sheets. Go to Google Marketplace and install GPT for Sheets and Docs. Create a new spreadsheet. Click Extensions GPT for Sheets. Enable GPT functions. Click OK. Click Extensions GPT for Sheets. Set API key. You only need to do this once. Click the link. Get your API key from the OpenAI dashboard. Log in to your ChatGPT account. Click Create New Secret Key. Copy the key. Paste it into the API key box. Then click the Save API Key button. Add table headings. I use the following headings: A1, page URL; B1, focus keyword; C1, title tag; D1, meta description. Put the list of page URLs under the page column. Put the target keyword in focus keyword column. Write equals GPT to start the GPT call function. Include concatenate to connect the prompt with the page and focus keyword info. This is the formula. Equals GPT concatenate. Write SEO title tag no more than 60 characters for this page. A2 with a focus keyword. B2. Press enter and wait for the ChatGPT to load the data. This is the formula for meta description. Equals GPT concatenate. Write SEO meta description no more than 160 characters for this page. A2 with a focus keyword. B2. Press enter and wait for the ChatGPT to load the data, and then you are done.